Hello, my dear friends. Joining me from LS VISOIN. I think maybe you already know LS VISOIN for a long time. So, do you want to see LS VISOIN face to face? Now, I want to invite you to meet LS VISOIN in KSA exhibition this October. We will waiting for you there. Let's together for a better study. See you and thank you.
Hello, my friend. I am Tina Xiao, the sales manager of LS VISOIN. Here is our professional sales team. We have the exhibition in the Saudi Arabia. The time is October 1st to October 3rd. The books is 1B39. Welcome to our books.
Welcome to LS VISOIN.
Hello everyone, I am Mr. Fan, the product manager of LS VISOIN. This is our technical team. Welcome to meet at the Yard Security Exhibition from October 1st to 3rd. Welcome to LS VISOIN.